So when the accomplishment of pressing Alt-VV and being able to look at all your custom environments was a big enough accomplishment, I had the request of being able to press R and actually set it to render. So that means if I were to click, this has now been set to the render view. So all that you see in this view right now has been set to render view, aside from the blur, which is something that needs to be done on the camera side. But even the rotation has been mapped from the look dev to the render, meaning that I could simply just press Q, add a camera, and press F12, and the result that I get is exactly what I was looking at, aside from, of course, the depth of field, which would need to be implemented. This idea, of course, stems from the idea that, there's something fun about look dev. So we wanted to be able to jump into look dev, just configure your scene, and then press R and set it to render. And then we could just jump in camera view, press F12, and the result that we get is exactly what we're seeing in the viewport.